Life can be unpredictable. You may face an unexpected medical bill, job loss, or economic downturn. During tough times, financial resilience can make all the difference between sinking into debt and staying afloat. But how do you stay financially resilient when everything seems uncertain? In this video, we'll break down 10 practical steps you can take to protect your finances and stay strong during difficult times. Whether you're looking to better manage your current situation or prepare for future challenges, these steps will help you maintain control over your financial health. And before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful financial tips. 10. Understand the importance of financial resilience. The first step to staying financially resilient is understanding what financial resilience truly means. Financial resilience is not just about avoiding debt or having an emergency fund. It's the ability to withstand and recover from financial shocks. These could be sudden job losses, unexpected medical expenses, or broader economic downturns. By being financially resilient, you position yourself to handle life's challenges without letting them completely derail your financial stability. Financial resilience requires more than just basic financial knowledge. It involves creating systems and habits that keep you afloat no matter what. Having the right tools in place can give you peace of mind during tough times, helping you make better financial decisions and avoid panic when things get difficult. 9. Build a solid emergency fund. One of the first and most important steps in building financial resilience is having an emergency fund. This fund acts as a financial cushion for unexpected expenses. When you're prepared for the unexpected, you won't need to rely on credit cards or loans that could put you further into debt. To build your emergency fund, aim to save 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. Calculate your essential monthly costs, such as rent or mortgage, utilities, transportation, and groceries. For example, if your monthly expenses total $2,000, an emergency fund of $6,000 to $12,000 is a good target. Start small and gradually increase your savings. Once your emergency fund is in place, you'll have the confidence to handle unexpected events without jeopardizing your financial well-being. 8. Keep your spending under control. One of the easiest ways to stay financially resilient is to monitor your spending and ensure that you're living within your means. When times are tough, reducing your expenses can help you free up money to strengthen your financial position. Look at your monthly spending habits and identify areas where you can cut back. For instance, you might decide to reduce discretionary spending like dining out, subscriptions, or entertainment. Small sacrifices can make a big difference in the long run. Prioritize essential expenses and look for ways to make your lifestyle more affordable without compromising your well-being. By consistently living below your means, you'll build a financial buffer that gives you greater flexibility during tough times. 7. Diversify your income streams. Another way to increase your financial resilience is to have multiple sources of income. Relying on a single income stream can make you vulnerable if you lose your job or face a pay cut. Consider starting a side hustle, freelance work, or investing in assets that generate passive income, such as real estate or dividend-paying stocks. By diversifying your income, you reduce the risk of financial hardship if one of your income sources is impacted. Even a small additional income stream can make a big difference when you face financial setbacks. Plus, having extra money coming in can provide peace of mind and help you stay focused on your financial goals. 6. Eliminate high-interest debt. Debt can quickly spiral out of control, especially when interest rates are high. To stay financially resilient, focus on eliminating high-interest debt, such as credit card balances. Paying off this type of debt should be a priority, as it can easily drain your finances and make it harder to build wealth. Start by listing all of your debts and prioritizing the ones with the highest interest rates. If possible, pay more than the minimum required each month to reduce your balances faster. If you have multiple debts, consider using the debt avalanche or snowball method to tackle them. Once high-interest debts are eliminated, you'll have more room in your budget to save and invest for the future. 5. Strengthen your credit score. Your credit score is one of the most important factors in securing loans with favorable terms. It can also impact your ability to rent a home or secure favorable insurance rates. During tough times, having a strong credit score can give you the flexibility to access credit if necessary, without paying high interest rates. If your credit score is less than ideal, work on improving it. Pay your bills on time, reduce your credit card balances, and avoid opening new credit accounts. The higher your credit score, the more financial options you'll have when faced with unexpected expenses or emergencies. 4. Plan for retirement and long-term savings. While it's important to focus on short-term financial resilience, you also need to plan for the future. Contributing to your retirement fund or long-term savings ensures that you'll be prepared for later stages of life when your income may not be as high or consistent. Consistent contributions to retirement plans like a 401k or IRA can help you build wealth over time and prepare for the unexpected. Even during tough times, try to maintain retirement contributions. If your budget is tight, consider lowering the contribution amount instead of stopping it completely. The earlier you start saving for retirement, the more your money will grow through compounding interest. Having a secure retirement plan will provide you with more financial flexibility later on. 3. Protect your health and well-being. Financial resilience isn't just about managing money, it's also about taking care of your health. Medical expenses can quickly become a financial burden, especially if you face unexpected health issues. Having adequate health insurance is critical to protecting yourself from high medical costs. If you're self-employed or your employer doesn't offer health coverage, consider purchasing an individual plan or exploring government subsidies for affordable coverage. Additionally, maintaining good health through exercise, healthy eating, and regular checkups can help reduce medical costs in the long run. 2. Develop a contingency plan. Having a contingency plan is essential for staying financially resilient during tough times. A contingency plan helps you quickly take action when things go wrong. This could involve having a backup job or side hustle to fall back on, knowing where to access financial support during an emergency. 1. Maintain a positive and adaptive mindset. Finally, one of the most important factors in financial resilience is your mindset. Tough times will come, but having a positive and adaptive mindset will help you navigate them. Financial resilience isn't just about the money you have. It's about how you respond to challenges. Outro. Staying financially resilient during tough times is about being proactive, not reactive. It's about building good habits, managing risks, and taking care of yourself physically and financially. By following the steps we've outlined today, you can position yourself to weather financial storms and bounce back stronger. Remember, financial resilience isn't something that happens overnight. It's a lifelong process that requires discipline, planning, and adaptability. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more practical advice on managing your finances. Thanks for watching and take care.